I have four sides, all the same. Square, square, that's my name. Find me in a checkerboard tile or in a gift box with a smile. Two sides long, two are small. Rectangle stands proud and tall. I'm indoors, books and a phone screen. I'm the neatest shape you've ever seen. Round and round I go with no end. Circles the shape that loves to bend. Find me in a wheel or a yummy pie. I roll and spin as I go by. Three straight sides and corners free. Triangles, the shape for me. I'm in a slice of cheesy pizza or on a sign that says caution please. Like a circle but stretched a bit. I'm an oval, yes I fit. Find me in an egg or balloon so high, or your eyes that blink and spy. I shine bright up in the sky. With 5 cool points I sparkle high. Draw me in blue dreams at night. I'm the shape that glows so bright. I'm the shape of love and cheer. Valentine's Day I appear. Red or pink I love to show all the love that we can know. Like the kite that wants to fly. Diamonds my name, I reach the sky. 4 equal sides I tilt with pride. And playing cards I like to hike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon's got 5 sides alive. You'll find me in the DC town with my 5 sides. I wear no crown. 6 sides strong, I'm a honeybee's home. Hexagons where they buzz and roam. In a beehive I like to stay. I'm sweet and busy every day. I'm the moon when the night is new. Crescent shape with a silver hue. Smiling softly in the sky. Waving the stars a lullaby. Shapes are fun, shapes are cool. You'll find them in your home or school. Look around, they're everywhere. In the sky and the ground, in the clothes you wear. Square is fair and rectangles meet. Circle rolls on happy feet. Triangles clever with corners free. Ovals eggy and full of glee. Star will twinkle in the night. Heart is full of love and light. Diamond sparkles, Pentagon stands. Hexagon lives in honeyland. Crescent shines in midnight's glow. So many shapes now you know. So kids, next time you go play,